All right, for our ongoing class, we're really getting into the pentatonic scale, and we're adding a couple blues notes. Thank you, Nancy, for bringing that up. On the A string, that blues note, it is an actual note is an E flat, and it's the 6th fret. Nancy was taking the pentatonic scale, doing it vertically as well as horizontally. Where is there another E flat that we can kind of blues this solo up for everyday people? Well, an E flat is a half step higher than a D. So if you know where your D note is, you're okay. You're good to go. Here's our D right here. So on the C string, here's our C, and here's our D. E flat is a half step higher. Each fret is a half step interval. So here's our E flat. So see if you can throw this note in if you're ready to give it a try. Here's our beat, 100 beats per minute. Starting note, I am no better. Open E string. 2, 3, 4. I am no better, and neither are you. We are the same, whatever we do. You love me, you hate me, you know me, and then you can't figure out the bag I'm in. I am everyday people. Yeah, yeah. 1, 2. There is a long hair that doesn't like the short hair, for being such a rich one that will not help the poor one. Different strokes for different folks, and so on and so on, and Scooby-Dooby-Dooby. Oh, sha-sha.